Hi everyone, on this channel I review various sites that you send me. I do it so you don't have to. The topic of today's video is Xbox gift cards completely free, which is on a site few of you have asked me to review. Is it possible? Can you get it? Oh yeah, yes you can. You will find out in this video how, and I'll just explain what an Xbox gift card is. Most people already know, but for those who don't, I think it's worth explaining. With a gift card, you can charge your Xbox account for a certain amount and then buy yourself a game, a premium subscription, or use it for your favorite virtual currency. For example, with a gift card you can buy a game such as The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt and more. And this will help many of you. This is a great site. And you can find it on the pinned comment below, is the first comment. There you can go and get the gift card. Alright, so let's just look at the contents of this site. The site has already sent thousands of gift cards and you can check it out over here. You can also see that there are many happy users, but before you do that you can see all the information over here. If we get down here you can see all this customer feedback and they are very happy with the gift cards. Alright, so let's just get started. You can also see these questions if you want, but let's just tap on this button over here and then go to the click here button again. Alright, so once you're on this window you need to choose the amount of gift card that you want to get. Once you do that, I'm gonna show you what you need to do next. Afterwards you need to tap on this proceed button over here. I'm not gonna do that because I've already done it and it takes a few minutes to complete the giveaway steps, but once you do you will get the card like this. I have it on this text right now. Alright, so to redeem the gift card, simply go to redeem.microsoft.com and this new window is gonna show up and it's gonna look just like this, and now you need to simply paste the code over here, and the next thing is that you need to tap on the next button and that's gonna send you on this new window where you simply can redeem the $100 gift card that I actually got earlier and that you will get as well by following the steps on the website, which is, as I said before, on the pinned comment. The first comment on this video is gonna send you to this website that has all the gift cards. So yeah, the site works and I really recommend it. And it is useful especially for people who love buying stuff on Xbox. If you want me to check any other sites, please send them on the comments section because I check most days and then I can make a review for you. If you like this video, do not forget to like and actually subscribe. It really helps our channel. Have a great day.